Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Key to Learn English. I'm Sarah, and I'm really happy that you're here today. If you are listening right now, it means you want to grow, improve, and move forward. And that already makes you someone who cares about their future.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan. Thank you so much for joining us. Before we start, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English and their life at the same time.
Today's topic is not only about learning words or sentences. It's about something much bigger.
Yes, today we are talking about how to make 2026 your best year ever.
Maybe the last year was hard for you. Maybe some things didn't go the way you hoped. Maybe you felt tired, confused, or even a little lost.
And if you feel that way, you are not alone. Many people feel the same.
But the beautiful thing about a new year is that it gives us a fresh page.
A new chance to write a better story.
Ryan, when people hear the words New Year, what do they usually think?
Most people think about big changes. They say things like, "This year I will change everything," or "This year I will become a new person."
But that kind of thinking can be stressful.
Yes, because it puts a lot of pressure on you.
In reality, real change happens slowly.
Little by little.
Small steps every day are more powerful than big plans that never happen. Let's start with something very simple. Your year will not change unless your daily habits change.
Habits are the small things you do again and again.
How you wake up,
How you talk to yourself,
how you use your time.
and how you take care of your body and your mind.
Ryan, tell me about your morning. How do you usually start your day?
I try to wake up slowly. I drink water. I take a deep breath. I don't look at my phone for a few minutes.
That's a very healthy habit. Many people check their phone right away.
Yes, and that makes their mind busy before the day even begins.
So here is a simple sentence for everyone listening. I want to start my day calmly in 2026.
Let's repeat it together. I want to start my day calmly in 2026.
Now let's talk about goals.
Goals are things we want to reach or achieve.
But many people make goals that are too big and too unclear.
For example, I want to be successful.
That sounds nice, but it doesn't tell you what to do.
A better goal is clear and personal.
Like, I want to speak English with confidence, or I want to feel healthier and stronger.
These goals are easier to work on because you know what they mean.
In 2026, you don't need to become someone else.
You just need to become a better version of yourself.
That means learning from your past.
And making better choices in the present.
Let's talk about self-talk.
Self-talk is how you speak to yourself in your mind.
Many people are very hard on themselves.
They say things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always make mistakes."
In 2026, we want to change that voice.
We want a kinder voice.
Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, you can say, I'm learning and I'm getting better.
That small change can make you feel more confident.
Ryan, do you think learning English is part of a better life?
Yes, I really do. Learning English helps you communicate, understand people, and feel more confident in the world.
And when you feel more confident, you try more things.
And when you try more things, you grow.
Imagine this. It's the middle of 2026. Someone asks you, how is your year going?
What would you like to say?
Maybe something like, this year is not perfect, but I'm proud of my progress.
That's a beautiful sentence.
Let's repeat it together. This year is not perfect, but I'm proud of my progress.
Now let's talk about consistency.
Consistency means doing something again and again, even when you don't feel excited.
Motivation comes and goes.
But habits stay.
In 2026, don't ask, "Do I feel motivated today?"
Ask, what is one small good thing I can do today? For example, if your goal is to improve your English, one small thing could be listening to this podcast
Or reading a short article.
or speaking 5 sentences out loud.
Small actions done every day create big change.
Another important topic is comparison.
Comparing yourself to others can make you feel sad or tired.
In 2026, try to compare yourself only with your past self.
Ask, "Am I better than I was last year?"
Even a small improvement is still success. Now let's talk about mistakes.
Mistakes are not bad.
They are part of learning.
Fear of mistakes is what stops people.
In 2026, allow yourself to make mistakes and learn.
Repeat this sentence with us. In 2026, I will allow myself to make mistakes and learn.
Let's talk about time.
Many people say, "I don't have time."
But often, it's about how we use our time.
We all have the same 24 hours.
In 2026, think about what really matters.
Spend more time on things that help you grow.
Now let's talk about mental health.
A good year is not only about success.
It's also about peace.
Rest is not something you earn.
Rest is something you need.
You don't have to be tired to deserve rest.
Repeat this sentence slowly. I want to take better care of my mental health in 2026.
Now let's speak directly to you.
If you're listening and feeling unsure, that's okay.
You don't need to know everything right now.
You just need to take the next small step. Repeat with us. I will take one small step today.
You are doing really well.
You are listening.
You are learning.
And that already means progress. And we're back. I hope you're still listening because what you are doing right now is really special. You are giving yourself time. You are choosing to grow. And that's something to be proud of.
Yes, it really is. Every minute you spend learning and thinking about your future is a gift to yourself.
Ryan, why do you think so many people are afraid of the future?
I think it's because the future is unknown. We don't know what will happen, and that can make us feel nervous or worried.
That's true. But not knowing everything is not a bad thing.
It just means there are many possibilities.
In 2026, instead of thinking, what if something goes wrong? We can think, what if something goes right?
That small change in thinking can change how you feel.
Hope is not about pretending everything is perfect.
It's about believing that things can improve.
Let's talk about confidence.
Confidence is not about being loud.
It's not about being perfect.
It's about trusting yourself.
It's about saying, I can try,
Many English learners are afraid to speak,
because they are afraid to make mistakes.
but mistakes are how we learn.
So in 2026, let's promise to speak more English, even if it feels uncomfortable.
Repeat this sentence. I will speak more English in 2026.
Now let's talk about daily habits again.
Big dreams need small actions.
You don't need to study for hours.
10 minutes every day is powerful.
10 minutes of listening.
10 minutes of speaking.
10 minutes of reading.
That becomes real progress.
Let's talk about health.
Your body is your home.
In 2026, let's treat our bodies with more care.
Drink water.
Move your body.
Get enough sleep.
You don't need to be perfect, just be a little better. Now imagine this. It's the end of 2026. You are looking back at your year.
What do you want to feel?
Proud,
Calm.
strong.
That feeling starts with what you do today.
Now let's look at some important phrases from today's episode. 1. A fresh start, a new beginning. Example, 2026 is a fresh start for me.
2. Step by step. Slowly, little by little. Example, I will improve step by step.
3. Show up for yourself. Take care of your goals. Example, I will show up for myself.
4. Make progress. Move forward. Example, I am making progress.
5. Build better habits. Create good daily actions. Example, I want to build better habits.
6. One small step. One simple action. Example, one small step today matters.
7. A calm year. A peaceful year. Example, I want 2026 to be a calm year.
8. Be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself. Example, I will be kind to myself.
9. Stay consistent. Keep going. Example, I will stay consistent.
10. Believe in yourself. Trust your ability. Example, I believe in myself.
Now repeat these with us. A fresh start. Step by step. Show up for yourself. Make progress. Build better habits.
One small step. A calm year. Be kind to yourself. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself.
You did a great job today. Really. We are proud of you for staying with us and listening.
Remember, 2026 does not need to be perfect. It just needs you to keep trying.
Tell us in the comments, what is one small habit you want to build in 2026?
Like this video, subscribe to Key to Learn English, and keep practicing.
We believe in you.
And we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye.